Hello folks, and welcome back to American Accent Official. My name is Oliver, and in this video we are going over English proverb. Pay peanuts, get monkeys. Pay peanuts and get monkeys. Let's break this English saying down. Pay peanuts. Peanuts, you pay, means you pay raw salary. You pay raw salary. Get monkeys. Get monkeys means you get incompetent. You get unqualified, unexperienced employees. Okay. So we use this English proverb showing that if you are employer and you pay, or you are boss and you pay you pay raw salary, you can't expect to get good employees or competent employees. Okay, experienced workers. You can't get experienced workers. Okay? Example sentence. This company doesn't pay good salary. And do you know what they say? If you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. You get monkeys. That's why a lot of experienced employees are stepping down due to raw salaries. Okay, so in business, if you want to maintain good employees or to attract good employees, you need to pay competitive salaries. Otherwise, you know what they say? If you pay peanuts, you get the monkeys. Anyways, enough. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time.